Before we get started, click the link in the description below to see my #1 weight loss diet program that changed my life. Put down the kombucha. Here's the 10 foods you should be eating in 2020. 1. Salmon. Salmon provides a range of vitamins and minerals, including omega-3s as well as protein, vitamin D, selenium and iodine. The BNF recommends having 2 portions of fish per week, one of which should be an oily type like salmon. Registered nutritionist Daniel O'Shaughnessy, aka the Naked Nutritionist, advises choosing wild salmon where possible because it is richer in omega-3 content and usually pinker, which means it has more of the antioxidant, astaxanthin, which studies show has been found to improve skin health. 2. Oats. The BNF says that oats are a brilliant source of fiber, providing a specific type called beta-glucan, which can help to lower cholesterol. Incorporate them into your breakfasts if possible, the organization suggests, either by making porridge or overnight oats. 3. Lentils. Plant-based proteins like lentils and beans are a rich source of fiber, says the BNF. They also contain iron and folate, which could help boost energy levels. Author and nutritionist Joe Travers suggests making dal with your lentils, when you can add plenty of vegetables for additional nutrients. If you add turmeric, you can benefit from the anti-inflammatory effect as well while enjoying a slow-release carbohydrate meal. 4. Nuts. Nuts are often lauded by health professionals thanks to their fiber, protein, unsaturated fat content. The BNF notes that they also provide a range of key nutrients like thiamine and iron, which can help with energy and support your immune system. Go for unsalted varieties and keep portions to a small handful as they're high in calories, the BNF warns. O'Shaughnessy suggests opting for walnuts, rich in omega-3, and Brazil nuts, which is one of the richest forms of the antioxidant, selenium. This is also an important nutrient for thyroid health, he adds, so if you suffer from an underactive thyroid then make sure you're eating at least 2 Brazil's nuts per day. 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are often underrated. But the BNF says they are rich in vitamin C and natural phytochemicals like lycopene, the natural pigment that gives tomatoes their vibrant red hue. As for how to eat them in an interesting way, try thinking beyond caprese salads and pasta sauces. You can add tomatoes to curries, soups, or vegetable bakes. 6. Apples. Apples provide soluble fiber as well as polyphenols, which can treat digestion problems and help protect you from cardiovascular disease, notes the BNF. They are best eaten as either a healthy snack, or with porridge for breakfast. 7. Green vegetables. We've all heard this one before. But leafy green vegetables are one of the healthiest foods around thanks to the multiple vitamins they contain. Vegetables like spinach, broccoli and cabbage tend to provide vitamins C and A, folate and potassium, notes the BNF, subsequently boosting immunity, energy and skin health. Broccoli is also one of the most nutritious, says O'Shaughnessy, because it contains diindolylmethane, which is a powerful aromatase inhibitor. This means it can support hormone balance. 8. Plain yogurt. Plain yogurt might sound uninspiring, but it's a great base for snacks and desserts when you're trying to avoid sugary foods, says the BNF. It also provides protein, calcium, riboflavin and iodine, which plays a vital role in thyroid health. Choosing plain versions also means you avoid any added sugars. For flavor, try adding dried or fresh fruit, or nuts and seeds. 9. Whole grains. Whole grain carbohydrates like bread, pasta, bulgur wheat or freekeh are quick and easy to cook and rich in fiber as well as nutrients like niacin and phosphorus, which helps the body repair tissues and cells. These foods give us the energy we need to function without spiking blood sugar, says Travers. Stick to a fist-sized portion at a time. 10. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are in season at this time of year, meaning they are a sustainable choice as well as a healthy one. Foods like oranges, lemons and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, says the BNF, and provided folate, which helps convert carbohydrates into energy and is crucial for women during pregnancy. You can easily add lemons and limes to your diet by adding them to salad dressings or using them to season other dishes, which the BNF says could help you to cut down on salt. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to help support this channel.